Welcome to the 11th lecture in the course Coping with Being Old. This is the final lecture in the course. I hope you have enjoyed it. Remember also that, of course, you can watch these videos time and time again, and also post in the discussion forum. This very last lecture is about looking ahead, not behind, not having regrets, not thinking about what might have been, not even thinking about what is. Instead, I am thinking about what will be in the future, now that I have attained 80. Other people seem to be enjoying their advancing years. Now let's think, what can I do? Well, I could tell white lies, even more than I did before. Well, you may remember that in the introduction, I said the lectures would be 10 minutes or less. Well, that was not quite true, was it? I'm thinking of the one about eating. Everyone will have admired my unique perspective on death, and the discussion forums will be overflowing with comments about the course on my unique perspective of death. What I believe is that we should go through life respecting other living beings, all living beings, including ourselves, and by living our life to the full and including our loved ones, avoiding harm to others as much as possible, so we are more likely to have a meaningful life. With such a meaningful life, so we can come to be less worried about death. We may or may not feel that we have achieved much in our life, but does it matter? What matters is that we leave life having made the world a little better off than when we first arrived. That is the one supreme task, or at very least, no worse off. I have thoroughly enjoyed my time in the film industry, the acting profession, and it is not over yet. I hope I've been able to communicate this enjoyment to others. It's the same with this course. Many hours were spent in preparation. I sincerely hope you have enjoyed it, learnt from it. As Robert Baden-Powell wrote, the most worthwhile thing is to try to put happiness into the lives of others. Remember, death is nothing at all. Death is nothing at all. I have only slipped away into the next room. I am I, and you are you. Whatever we were to each other, that we are still. Call me by my old familiar name. Speak to me in the easy way you always used. Put no difference into your tone. Wear no forced air of solemnity or sorrow. Laugh as we always laughed. The little jokes we always enjoyed together. Play, smile, think of me, pray for me. Let my name be ever the household word that it always was. Let it be spoken without effort, without the ghost of a shadow in it. Life means all that it ever meant. It is the same as it ever was. There is absolute, unbroken continuity What is death but a negligible accident? Why should I be out of mind? Because I'm out of sight. I'm waiting for you for an interval, somewhere very near, just round the corner. All is well. Nothing is past, nothing is lost. One brief moment and all will be as it was before. How we shall laugh at the trouble of parting when we meet again. As I asked before, if today was your last day, how would you live?
I've got you, lilies. Yeah. Your favourites, eh? I do miss you, Elaine. More and more each day. I remember that last day. You were so happy. I was so angry. I was shouting, and I didn't mean half the things I said to you.